Alright guys, this recipe of egusi soup requires you to heat up your red oil and add blended egusi seed, and you now start frying it on a medium heat. Yes, you need a medium heat so that it doesn't get burnt, because if it gets burnt it's going to change the taste of the soup. Alright, looking at it now, you see that it is still a bit sticky and all together, so you're going to fry it until it starts getting dry. That is when you know that okay, the egusi is almost getting ready. All right, now looking at it, you see now it is a bit more dry. It is really dry right here, and at this point I'll put it down and set it aside. All right, so preparing my catfish. I don't know, I like catfish in egusi soup a lot. I just added some of my local spicy pepper blended with uziza and obe, some seasoning cube, and salt, and now have to transfer the egusi inside the pot, and I cover it and set it to cook it together with the catfish so that everything will get done at once. All right, if you've watched this video to the end, please give this video a like. Thank you for watching, and also you can drop in the comment section where you're watching from so I can give you a shout out in my next video. Okay guys, now I just added some onions and it's started cooking already. I cooked it all together for about more 15 minutes. Then I'll give it a stir in between so that the fish gets cooked properly, and I also have to be careful so the fish doesn't scatter. You see me here adding extra onions. I felt the onions I added before was a bit small. Covered it, cook it for another 5 minutes, and now it's time to add some crayfish. Okay, whenever I add crayfish, just know that in less than 2 to 3 minutes my soup food is done. Okay, add some crayfish, give it another stir, cover it, and then go ahead with my leaf, the vegetable. Usually I use uziza leaf for egusi soup, so that is what I'm going to add next. Alright, so add the season leaf next, and give the soup a stir, turn it properly, cook it for about 1 to 2 minutes on a low heat, and the soup is ready. Okay, this is actually a very different way of preparing egusi soup. Frying it gives it another yummy taste. So guys, I bet you will try it. It is very, very nice. With this recipe, you can actually enjoy it with rice or with swallow, whatever. It goes very well with rice for people that like to eat egusi and rice, but for me, I'm eating it with my fufu. All right guys, so look at the soup. I'm dishing it out. It's time to eat. Yep, it's time to eat. All right guys, thank you for watching. Please remember to share this video, remember to like, remember to comment, and remember to follow my page if you're not yet following my page. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.